When it comes to getting the best attic ventilation for your new roof, understanding how ridge, soffit, and gable vents work together is key to keeping your home comfy and your roof lasting longer. Alright, so here's the deal. Ridge vents run along the peak of your roof and let hot air escape from the attic, while soffit vents, or intake vents, are placed under the eaves to pull in fresh, cooler air. This combo creates a natural airflow that helps regulate temperature and moisture, which is clutch in humid spots like Northern Virginia. Now, gable vents are those side vents on your attic walls, and they can sometimes mess with this airflow system. When you have both ridge and soffit vents installed properly, gable vents might cause air to short circuit, meaning the air doesn't flow up and out as it should, but instead just moves sideways. That can reduce the efficiency of your ventilation setup and lead to moisture buildup or higher energy bills. The best move? If you're going with ridge and soffit vents, it's smart to seal off the gable vents. That way, your attic gets a clear path for air to move from soffit intake all the way up to ridge exhaust. Plus, make sure your soffit vents aren't blocked by insulation or debris, because that'll kill the airflow too. Also, double check that the ridge vent is installed continuously along the peak for max ventilation. It's all about balance, getting enough intake and exhaust without any interruptions. One of the biggest mistakes people make with attic ventilation is leaving all three vent types open without considering how they interact, which can cause poor airflow and moisture issues. Another common slip-up is not sealing or blocking off gable vents when installing ridge and soffit vents, so the system can't work right. Lastly, homeowners often overlook checking that soffit vents aren't clogged or covered by insulation, which really cuts down on fresh air coming in. The fix? Just remember to block gable vents if you have ridge and soffit vents going in, keep soffit vents clear, and have a pro install a continuous ridge vent for smooth airflow. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot if you're looking for trusted local contractors who really know their stuff on roofing and ventilation. They make it easy for homeowners like you to connect with verified pros and also help contractors find legit work without the hassle.